Welcome to the post-game press conference. We are here with the winning coach, Coach Borgie Hermida, and best player of the game, Robert Boli. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach Borgie, it seemed that you had some success earlier defending Blackwater's transition offense, which gave you a lot of trouble throughout the game. What changed in terms of the way you were approaching that, especially during the fourth quarter?
Actually, that small ball has done wonders for us. If you notice, Tony Semerad playing the center spot, and Fajardo, a 6'1 guy, 6'2 guy, playing the 4. So, kind of small for us, but as I said, it has done wonders for us. In our previous game, yun din yung lineup namin eh. So, aside from that, syempre, sabi nga ni Coach Frankie, buti na lang may volley kami.
Yeah, speaking of Bolek, Coach, this is a team effort, this win. What's it like, Coach, when you have a guy like Robert, also Dominic Pardo, and the other guys, making life easier because you don't necessarily have to manufacture offense, maybe in the typical ways that you would?
You know what's good about Robert? Hindi dahil lang dito si Robert, he produces a lot of scores. Kung makikita nyo, 30 to 40 last game, career high nga. But if you will take a look at the assist department, magaling din pumasa si Bolik eh. So every time, 90% of the time, yung bola namin kasi na kay Berto. And 90% of the time, good decisions ang ginagawa ni Berto.
Again, Robert, congratulations ulit. Sunod-sunod yung explosive performance mo tonight, almost a triple-double. Nag-contribute ka din ng 2 dagger threes. Robert, saan ang gagaling lalo?
Una, gusto ko mag-sorry kay Coach Joe. Dalawang defensive lapses dun sa dulo. And buti na nabawi ko sa 3 points, kung hindi, patay ako. So, tingin mo sa akin, pero talaga yung nagpanalo sa amin si Dominic eh. Ganda lang namin ni Dom. Sabi, 14 points. 14 points. Ganda ng ginagawa niya sa amin, grabe. So, siya yung nagpapanalo talaga itong laro na to eh, contribution niya. Richie din, ganda ng laro. Talagang total team effort eh, John. So, masarap sa feeling na lahat kami nag-contribute para manalo. So,
Robert, you had impressive games ang sunod-sunod this conference. Pero sa ngayong gabi, ano sa tingin mo yung mas magandang ginawa niyo kumpara ng mga nakaraan?
Wala, nagtulungan lang talaga kami. Sabi kasi ni Coach Frankie, tsaka ng mga coaches na pag nanalo kami ngayon, 4 days off siguro, yun yung gusto na magpahinga namin kasi dami namin laro, 5 days, 12 days. So, gusto namin 5-0 sana, pero nag 4-1, so good na. Pero yun nga, pag itong break na to na mahaba, kailangan mag-prepare din kami kasi kalaban namin yung mga semis na eh. Yung mga pumasok na ng semis, lahat ng kalaban namin. So, wala nang madaling. Kumbaga, wala nang madaling laro.
Pabigat na ng pabigat.
Pabigat na ng pabigat. So, ang layo pa. So, masaya talaga ako sa teammates ko. Grabe yung contribution nila. And thank you sa lahat na nag-step up sa team namin. So, team effort talaga. Grabe, wala pa naman na-shoot na lay-up.
We now open the floor for our friends from the press.
Robert, sabi mo nga pahirap na yung pagpalit mo sa after ng long rest. Pero gano'ng kalaking bagay yung may puhunan na kayo na 4-1 ngayon sa standings?
Konti na lang, di ba? Parang magic number 6, so 2 panalo. Pero lahat ng kalaban namin, mabibigat na eh. Yung 5 doon, parang 3 San Miguel team, Caucasian Tex, tapos Phoenix, pumasok pa sa play semis. Tapos Rainer Shine, ang ganda nilalaro. So, mahirap na na-stretch by next month. So, kailangan mag-prepare pa kami lalo. So, dapat kung tulong-tulungan lang kami, malayong mararating namin.
Coach, Dominic, nung on tour, alam natin, nagpakita siya. Hindi siya ganun gagamit last conference and yearly part. Ano bang nagbago ngayon na nagagamit pa siya? Nagpapakitang gilas ngayon si Dominic.
Actually, it's just the playing time eh. Makikita naman natin, he has been successful sa PBA 3x3 and even dun sa collegiate career niya, successful siya, no? Basta bigyan mo lang ng minuto si Dominic Fajardo, talagang makakatulong sa team to eh. And nag-step up naman talaga siya in the absence of Sean Anthony, who got injured in the previous game. And maganda kasi kay Dominic Fajardo, as Berto mentioned, no? Matalino rin kasi si Dominic Fajardo. He's a 6'1 guy, 6'2 guy, but getting the 6'7 numbers, you know what I mean? Getting 8 rebounds, getting 12 points, setting up good screens, yun yung mga naitutulong ni Dominic sa team.
Wala bang panghihinayang on your part na ang tagal ng break nyo? Mawalan din yung momentum.
Mas maganda nga yun eh. At least isang buwan kaming number 1, di ba?
Hirang-hira lang
Sino
mangyari.
number 1 ngayon? Ginebra ba? 2-0. Pero 4-1 nga kami. But kidding aside, tama ka. Medyo madidislodge nga yung momentum going towards our next game. But trabaho na rin ng coaches yon kung paano i-keep yung momentum within the team.
For the record lang kay Coach Frankie, ano ba nangyari? Ano sabi mo sa takeover ni Coach Joe?
Yes, Coach Frankie got injured yesterday. Actually, hindi ko alam yun eh. Accidentally ata, no?
Oo, pag
Natamaan siya ng bola dito sa thumb ata eh. So medyo unbearable daw yung pain, kaya hindi siya nakapunta. So credit still to Coach Frankie because he prepared us going to this game. Lahat naman ng game plan kay Coach Frankie, but also credit to who stood up as head coach today, which is Coach Jong. Alam naman natin one of the best coaches in the league itong si Coach Jong. So anytime naman ready to. In fact, he's with us for just 3 months. December pa, pero kung makikita nyo, very familiar na siya dun sa mga plays na tinatakbo and yun sa mga players kung paano maglaro. Credit also talaga to those two coaches.
Robert, for the past few days, we've been getting positive remarks from the coaching staff of NLEX. Ngayon si Coach Borgie sabi, they're lucky na nandito ka. Tapos last week sabi ni Coach Frankie, buti nandyan si Berto. Ano lang masasabi mo sa ganong recognition sa'yo ng Road Warriors coaching staff?
Siyempre masaya. Lahat kami, bilista kami. So siyempre, iba yung samahan namin.
Siyempre, the Road Warriors.
Oh, San Pedro Warriors nga tawag, di ba? So, siyempre nakakasama nakikita-kita na kami nung college pa lang ako eh. So, iba yung samahan namin eh, yung championship vibe ng school namin, San Beda. So, yun lang, tulungan. Pero sa kanila talaga eh, kaya napapadali yung laro sa amin dahil sa kanila eh. Credit din talaga sa mga coaches kung hindi sila nag-prepare, di ba? Ang bigat ng Blackwater, sa totoo lang, ang ganda ng tinatakbo nila. Sobrang hirap. Remember ko, past years ko sa Northport, medyo hindi pa ganito eh. Since Coach Jeff took over, parang iba na yung ang hirap ng kalaban, sa totoo lang. Medyo tsamba lang yan eh, na-shoot lang talaga, pero pag wala, hirap na hirap kami. So, that's a team to watch out for, itong Blackwater. Tapos, syempre, mga coaches namin, nandyan naman eh. Decorated yung mga yan. Coach Frankie, Coach Jong, lahat ng mga coaches namin. Nag-champion na yung mga yan. So, kumbaga, relax na kami pagdating sa mga game plan. Alam na nila gagawin. Depende na lang sa amin kung susundin. Kaya hingi ako na sorry kay Coach Jong. 2 beses ako nagkamali. Buti na lang nabawi ko. So,
Coach, bangsa ito. You know, NLEX defeated Blackwater in the last Philippine Cup in Luis Cup. Did you remind the players to play their best up there to reaffirm their unquestioned supremacy against Blackwater?
Actually, that's automatic naman, no? Going to the game, lagi naman sinasabi, always give your best, but extra motivation for tonight's game because Blackwater is unbeaten pa for this conference. So, extra motivation for us. And sabi nga ni Berto, hindi biro yung tinalo namin. They're good. Lalaki ng lineup nila, di ba? Ang lalaki ng players nila doon sa lineup nila. And that team has a bright future ahead.
NLEX snapped the 3 games winning streak from Blackwater. Are you really surprised the way your players played tonight against Blackwater?
To tell you honestly, my personal opinion, I'm not because as we said nga, no, we have Robert Bolick who can win us until the end. And aside from that, yung familiarity, yung chemistry namin within the team, medyo maganda eh. Kahit na may mga injured players na.
Last question. Are you expecting Bodek play another human jump for election against the quarter tonight?
Oo naman, syempre, that's Robert Bolick eh. Yes, Robert Bolick is just a hell of a player.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That ends our post-game press conference. Thank you everyone. Congratulations, gentlemen.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you.